I'm recording. That's why I'm recording. Forex.
Good morning, gang. So we just woke up and yesterday we did take a trade on AUDJPY. So let me just go and show you how the trade is, right? So yeah. So I'll just have my camera over here. Let me put on some makeup so you guys can see me. Put on makeup so you guys can see me, right? Let me just have it right there, alright, so let me record the screen so that you guys can see.
Alright, so as you guys can see over here, this is the trade, and of course I did send this signal to my VIP. I did not eat alone, so let me just show you that is it. Where are you? This is it. Look at this. This is the trade. In fact, before the trade moved, this is it. I was saying waiting for the last confirmation, so stay alert right here. And this was September 30, right? So this is how the trade was looking like. I'm recording. That's why I'm recording. I'm recording. Can you imagine an hour ago we was up 110 pips? Then out of nowhere, an hour candlestick just opened, and guess what? Whee! Forex. So yeah, yep. Over here, some recording my screen, basically just to show you that this is it. I was topped out, but then in profit, right? So yeah, I was topped out, but in profit. But then, like I say, we was up 110 pips, but just that pullback just came back and stopped me out on a trailing stop. That's around 50 pips. So, and because this is all the JPY, you know, about the conversion rate thing, so the AUD dollar, that Australian dollar, that, or the Aussie, whichever name you call it, is not the same rate to the greenback, right? So at the same time, we still have the Japanese yen, so the conversion rate is not the same as the USD, probably with maybe Euro USD or even XXUSD, I mean gold USD, something like that. But so 50 pips, that's around $30. So yeah, when I was around 110 pips, that was around $63 or $64. I can't remember, but yeah, it is what it is. That is Forex. At least, let me just stop recording this screen. At least, yes, I was topped out, but I was not taken out. You know, I never lost a thing. So this is the trade over here, as you guys can see my screen. This is the trade right here. Boring. Taking the trade yesterday around 4 p.m. my time, and then around 10 a.m. today. That's called Forex. And you still want to trade, and you still want to learn about Forex trading. Yo, you see, 1 minute you're up, the next minute you're down. You still want to learn about trading? Are you crazy? Man, this is not for the weak though. But yeah, you know, what makes me happy is the trailing stop. But then I've realized that anytime I trail my entry, that's when the market do stop me out, right? But then another thing, if I don't trail my stop, and then I maybe close my entry manually before hitting take profit, that's when you see once again the market reversing and maybe going against your stop loss, you know, going against your direction. But then I just decided to go with this. Whatever happened, let me just always trail my stop loss. Anytime I'm in profit, let me just trail the stop loss, because it's better I close in profit than closing in a loss, right? Because yeah, let's say when I took the trade, I was at 0, right? So if I trail my stop, then the market maybe gives me maybe $1. That's still a profit, right? Compared to if the market comes back and takes me out, so I'm just going to be negative 0, right? Negative 0 points, maybe 0, 1, 0, whichever. So it's still a good thing, yeah, taking a loss, but remember in profit, right? So the only time that the market stops me out and I take a loss is the moment you take your entry. For example, let's say this AUD when we did take the trade yesterday. So the moment we take the entry, then you see the market just starts going back in a drawdown, not profit. Let's say probably you just see 5 pip profit, then the market just starts moving against you, drawdown, 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 and ends up taking you out or hitting your stop loss. Because now this is it, the moment we are in drawdown, let's say 5 pips, we saw a 5 pip profit, there's no way I'm going to trail 5 pips profit, right? There's no I'm going to have a break even once I see a 5 pip profit, because there's higher chance that the market might still pull back, go back to my entry before maybe going back to my profit. But then once you see you're up 20 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips, trail that joint. Because why will the market go up to 50 pips, 100 pips, then comes back and takes you out? It doesn't make sense. That's a huge pullback. That means the market might be changing direction. You understand? So it's better I be taken out on not break even, guys. I'm not talking about break even, not to having my stop on my entry. No, above the entry, something like that, right? So at the same time, there's also a certain way that I do trail my stop loss. This is it. Now then, AUD never gave me that kind of style that I do prefer. So this is it. Now once I've taken my entry, right? So this is how I do. Go back to maybe 1 minute time frame. Of course, off that 1 minute time frame, market, because I took a buy, let's just talk about that trade. The market usually gives higher high and higher low, right? Now as the market continue breaking structures, that is when I continue, trailing my stop loss, making the stop loss below the previous low, right? Because of course the market has broken high, so let me just have my stop below the previous low. That means anytime the market just decides to go back and hit that low, then the market is reversing. But guess what? AUD never did that. We were just seeing candlesticks after candlesticks, candlesticks after. The only time we had a fast high being broken, that was yesterday, and I think that was around 99.21, right? That was when price just broke. So that is where I decided to have my stop. And of course, if you can see my screen over here, guys, the market after breaking out of that high, just candlesticks after candlestick, no higher high, higher low. So it never gave me a good place to have my stop loss to secure at least a good amount of pips. I only secured 50 pips, but then 50 pips, like I say, on all the JPY is like 30 pips. And of course, I told you we saw 100 pips on all JPY. We was targeting 150, I believe so, because the risk to reward ratio was around 1 to 3. So I was targeting 150 pips, though I already saw a risk to reward of 1 to 2, which is still good, you understand. But then just trying to maybe get that 1:3. But there's something, guys, there's a catch. There's a type of market condition that usually allows me to target a risk to reward of 1:10. And right now the current market condition that we are experiencing won't allow me to go with that strategy. So until maybe the market condition will reset back to that kind of a condition, probably that's when we will be targeting 1:10. And by then, of course, I do risk 10 pips, which is a good thing. So the current market condition, I can't risk 10 pips. So that's why you see my anticipated reward was 150 pips, because my initial stop loss was 50 pips, which is kind of crazy. 50 pips, 1:3, that is 150. So 100 pips, like I said, that's 60 pips, yo. I know to most people 60 pips is still okay, But this is it. If I did close out the 60 pips, 100 pips, remember, profit, then that was not my target. Then I see the market later going and taking and or hitting my take profit, man. That usually hurts a lot. So that's why I just say, let me just allow the trade to do its thing, whether it's going to take a profit or maybe go back and stop me out. It's up to the trade, because we can't control the market. So, and that's when you see the market just reversing, taking out. Why? But then that's the forex market anyway. So just psychology. So if you used to the market condition, you don't have to kill yourself, because at the end of the day, like I said before, we never took no loss. At the end of the day, we bagged in something, 30 pips. Yo, if you have a big account, I know those people who target 5 pips a day, and they have great balance to their account, because 5 pips, somebody who has a big margin, 5 pips, somebody can make a good amount of money. But remember, we've made 100 pips. So if I give you that signal and you have that amount in your account, so you should be making a good amount. But then at the same time, after trail the 30 pips, I think you can still make a good amount using that. So maybe guys, you should check out my Telegram link in the description box below. And I remember guys, I don't trade for anybody. I keep on saying this, I don't trade for anybody, right? And I will never ask you for any investment. Just send me this amount of USDT, I'll trade for you. Investment. There's so many Telegram channels using my name, Fast and FX. And of course guys, they have over 5,000 subscribers. But my Telegram channel, crazy, I have 595 subscribers, but these guys have 5,000 plus, while I have 500 subscribers, so it's kind of crazy. So I know if you just go to Telegram and search Fast and FX, the first thing you'll see 5k subscribers, then definitely you're going to subscribe there, and that is when you're going to be scammed. Then come to my channel, start crying, oh, this guy scammed me. I know there was an incident that somebody got scammed, then started crying, oh, this guy scammed me. So don't fall for any scam. Look at that, 500 subscribers. But then if you check out, anytime I do make a post, at least I have over 100 views, But how can somebody have 5,000 followers on Telegram, but if he posts only 2 people views, maybe 5 people view? Doesn't make sense, right? So don't get scammed. My link in the description box, and adios amigos, peace.